Hayi Nkosi yami kwaze kwabanzima. Chef Xolani and Vuyokazi are taking legal action against one of our biggest YouTuber. Anyway guys, let's get to the story today. You know the rest of the houses, somebody paying for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment guys. So Xolani Xolani, the chef, posted this on his Instagram with the caption it's a warning. So the reason why they are taking legal action against one of the biggest YouTuber, Lady Londie, is because of a defamatory and false social media publication, guys. So the story in which Lady Londie posted on her platform are said to be untrue, unfalse, and hurtful, guys. So the posts were posted on 5 August 2024 by Lady Londie. People are saying that is not true, guys. They're just ruining their reputation. We all know that there were voice notes that was circulating social media saying that it was Xolani who was alleged saying that he's just using Vuyokazi because there's a reality show that is coming out. After that, he's gonna dump Vuyokazi because of Vuyokazi love money. She loved money. There was no way she's gonna deny that she will do anything for her kids, guys. They're saying that there is a person who's behind that, the person who sent a Lady Londie those voice notes, and they say the person is Miss Cindy's Prudence Butelezi, guys. I don't know if this person it is alleged to be Xolani's ex-wife, because I don't think Lady Londie could come out with such information alone. Obviously this was exclusive news that she had to post on social media, and there was somebody who decided to reach to her and say, hey, I do have a story for you guys, and make sure next time, this is advice to all the small YouTubers out there, if a person come to your platform and say, hey, I have something for you, make sure that you verify if this person is telling the truth or they are just bitter. Anyway guys, some are saying at the comment section that are saying that it was Xolani's voice. They are saying that why they are issuing legal action against this poor lady, because the voice that was saying those things, it was Xolani. Now I've never heard Xolani talking. I'm not sure if it is her, it is him, guys. Anyway guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this situation, guys? Yo, it means if Vuyokazi and Xolani, they are really married, guys. We saw also Xolani posted that he's coming back to see his wife, meaning that they are coming back for this, case, and also to see his wife for the first time. Yo, I kunzima Nkosi yami, guys. I need to be very careful because these celebrities, they are not playing, guys. They are not playing. They are tired being exposed on social media. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. God bless you. Bye.